Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Right, I'm a Platinum today. I'm very tall person today because we have a lot of people came here, even though those people want to learn English very tall also know this. Right. I'm going to share what my opinion about keeping old friend or making new friend, right? I myself talking about old friends. I got a lot of friends in my life, what? Not only for the children, teenager, but also the young men, what? All of people in uniform is my best friend or my old friend. And then how I can make a friend in my life, when I go somewhere, I very totally love when I get making friends with new people from the village or elsewhere because of I do love making friends. That's because I got a best friend in 1995 and 2000 and 2001 at time. After that, again and again, year by year, next weeks by weeks, month by month, I got new friend, best friend, what? But nowadays, in fact, if you have money, it's nothing. The point is money is so very important. At a time, 2006 and 2011 at the time, I was as a job. I got a job at the time, position as mechanic tire at the time because I worked as almost 5 years at the time as mechanic. I got a lot of money at the time, but when I got returned from my patient, I have no friend anymore. I've learned about that. But I don't care if I have no friend, this, that. But I don't realize that exactly. But until now, I got a lot of friends, but I don't know exactly. Not only in Aceh, but also in Europe, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Middle East. I got a lot of friends there. Always speak Quran or Spanish or English, because I don't, I don't be wise with Chinese people as a friend. If I got wise with Chinese people, I do gonna be a lot of friends. But I'm gonna be making a friend not only for the young men but also the old dance because every single people as human beings, as human rights in our real life, we have to be making fun out of people. It's not a Christian, Hindu, or different religion. Don't worry. If you can't speak English, we have to be, always invite them to be a good thing, good life, a good religion. That's because before you want to have to learn English. Alright, that's my time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.